Have you ever felt like you have won a dating game show because your date turned out to have all the perks you dreamed of? To the windows, to the perks. Now that's the feeling investors get when they tap into government grants and incentives. Welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm your host Amit Grover, guiding you through the maze of financial boosts available for your strip mall investments. Today, we're going to focus on often overlooked but potentially game-changing aspect of real estate investment: government grants and incentives. Just like discovering hidden traits in a partner that enrich your relationship, these financial aids can significantly enhance the viability and profitability of your projects. Now, government incentives come in many forms, from tax credits for developing in underserved areas to grants that support environmental sustainability. These incentives are designed to encourage investments that align with the broader economic or social goals, much like incentives in a relationship that promote harmony and growth. Let's start with tax increment financing, commonly known as TIF. This public financing method can be a powerful tool. It uses future gains in taxes to finance the current improvements that will create those gains. It's similar to investing in a relationship with the expectation of mutual growth and benefit. Now, the second key incentive is the new markets tax credit, aimed at stimulating investments in low-income and underutilized areas. This can reduce your tax burden significantly, making challenging projects more feasible. Think of it as finding value in overlooked qualities that others might miss. Third, rehabilitation tax credits also play a crucial role, especially if you're looking to revitalize older properties. These credits can cover a percentage of your renovation costs, making it financially viable to bring new life to properties that many might consider past their prime. And yes, that only works with buildings. Next, we will explore identifying redevelopment opportunities. If today's insight into government grants and incentives has opened your eyes to new possibilities, you're going to find our next topic particularly exciting. I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever utilized government grants or incentives for your projects? Tell me about your experience. Share in comments below. Let's learn from each other's success and challenges. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of real estate investments. If you're interested in learning more about how these incentives can benefit your projects, contact us at ECMP. We're eager to support your journey. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay